Oh, dude, it doesn't need to be perfect. It's good enough.
Hey, you gave me in a good shape. We'll put it back in a good shape.
Okay. That good shape was me rednecking it and how to fold it. You know how hard it is to take it to a church parking lot and fold it?
Put your foot over there. Over there. No. Yeah.
Right here? Okay, it's here. Yep. You can either roll it up or fold it millions of times. It's up to you. I really don't care as long as I can get it fit back in my trunk. So, thank you.
Hey, you have an axe.
You know what the axe is for? To break a window. In case if someone leaves their child in the car or a dog. Oh yeah, absolutely, dude.
I thought you were going to do that to make some sense from somebody.
No, I'm not that harsh. Come on, man. No, really, that's a legitimate reason why I use it.
That's cool.
I haven't had to use it yet, but the day that comes, man, it'll be an interesting day for that person. The three things I'd say would be, like, first you call the cops, tell the dispatcher, hey, I'm at this address, I see a child in a car, I waited 2 minutes, whatever. But before you do all that, make sure you record yourself and then tell the dispatcher, hey, I'm breaking the windows open. I don't care where the cops are at. I don't care if they're across the street. Breaking the windows open, if it's a dog or an animal or a person, break the window open, but do it on the opposite side of where the kid is. And if the kid's in the back left seat, you're gonna do it, you know, like on the front right, you know, passenger side or something, because of when you're hitting it, the glass disperses.
Yeah.
And then just, you know, make sure you record yourself. You're gonna break the window open and save the kid. And you park your car behind that car, because you never know if the person's gonna try and, like, you know, peel off. Yeah. That's I haven't had to deal with that yet, but that's, in my opinion, the best way to deal with, you know, not getting sued by the person that thinks you vandalized their car just because you're trying to save an animal or a person. So let's hope I never have to come to that. Never happens, you know. I don't want that day to come. Plus, the axe gives you better leverage compared to just like a little hammer. So.
Do you want to go and eat, really?
I'm just gonna go home, dude. I appreciate the offer.
You sure?
Yeah. Tired. Oh, I don't really like to drive when there's a lot of cars out.
Okay.
I mean, you're more than welcome to bring something more or something. I don't care. You don't have to. I just came out here to be nice.
Well, thank you. You helped me quite a bit.
You're
Man,
welcome.
I
was wondering how you're gonna tie this stuff down. I saw it's just a whole bunch of little small stuff. I was like, oh, this isn't gonna be good.
I know, she kept bringing a bunch of.
I thought we were moving furniture. So.
We already moved it.
Oh, you did? Okay.
Dana and I took care of some.
You should have called me, dude. I would have came. I would have came, man.
I think you were busy that Saturday. We were doing it.
I wasn't working, I don't think.
No, but I think you were going to one of your friends or something.
Oh. It's all good. I would have came. You know I would have came and helped you. It's a nice night.
We met a couple of sister missionaries there.